Yo, yo, yo! It's me again, Kachow! So, our next video is still tech. I'm not done reviewing tech. So, our next video for tech is the siege disease and defense fortifications. If you have watched my video about the mastery tech and you probably would be wondering, so if tank mastery or missile or aircraft, if those mastery are more important than siege to seize or defense fortifications, so why the hell are your siege to seize is at 64 and defense fortification at 39? So this is the story. So actually, guys, I was uh, unsettled before if I will stay as a tank main or switch to aircraft. Then later on, I saw some missile main at 45M, 50M. So I invested some shards for my Wall of Honor and my tank. So I decided to, you know, stay with it. Okay, since I invested already, I already started to invest in it. Then I stopped doing C2Cs and defense fortification and focus on my tank mastery. So that's the story about the 60% and 39% for those two. Okay, but let's discuss what are the benefits for these two. So as you can see, for the this is actually a counterpart of each. They are countering each other, counterpart of each other. So why and how? This is siege to seize is for attacking. When you are the attacker, okay. So when you are the attacker, this siege to siege tech buff will add to your power. You will be using this one. But if you are the defender or someone attacks you, or like you are reinforcing the capital or the cannons during Warzone duel, or if you are enforcing some buildings in Winter Storm or Desert Storm, you will be using this. So defense fortification is for defense, and then cease to cease is for attacking. So again, it will add attack to your heroes. This is also in general, okay? So meaning it's not for tank only. Unlike for tank mastery, it's only for tank. Your aircraft and missile squads won't benefit on your tank mastery because they are not tank. Okay, so that's simple. So for this one, 626, all your heroes, all your heroes in your squads will benefit from this as long as they are the attacker or you are the attacker. If you are your hero or your squad are defending your base or building like capital or cannons during the Warzone duel, or buildings during Desert Storm or Winter Storm, uh, you will be relying on this. So this is just the same like the stats or buff from C2Cs. It also adds attack increase as the defender, HP as the defender, and defense as the defender. Okay? So this is the same. One is for attack, and then this one is for defense. So but some say Siege to Siege is actually a lot better than defense fortification, but I have a different opinion on that. For me, this is the best tech for Siege to Seas. Why? So its commander cause a higher casualty rate among rivals units during PvP battles. So what does it mean? So when you attack someone, uh, well, it depends. What the hell did 3,000 is he attacking me? Okay. It's SS 3,000 to attack me as a hunter. Damn. So this is the casualty rate, guys. Okay? So this is the casualty rate. If you attack someone, and you have a high level casualty rate for your siege to seize, like this, if you already maxed it, he will lost more more troops. I lost almost 700, and if 3,000 hasn't maxed this yet, it will increase the loss that I will get from being attacked or getting burned. So this is for the speed, marching speed. So that's actually really good too. Okay, so for me, this is the best tech for Sinsusis. Then probably this is the next, and then the rest is all similar. But look at this, okay? Check the skill tree, okay? So this is for increased load capacity. Then this is build an extra drill ground. That's equivalent for the hospital. So for the defense fortification, this is equivalent of the drill ground, and this is the equivalent for the troop load. Okay. So when the commander's base is breached, decrease the unit casualty rate at the drill ground. So what's that? So this is it. Okay. So this is it. Ano? In this attack round, the defending side failed, resulting in an additional 692 drill ground units killed. Mine is already maxed in, yet I already lost 692. And what if what if this tech is not maxed? Okay? I will probably lose around 800 or 900 or more troops from my drill ground from for getting burned. Okay, so this is still attack and HP and then defense. Then this is trash, so I don't mind uh, if someone steal my resources, since you can't steal that much in this game. Okay, from other players for attacking their base. And then this is the march speed, same as the Shinsusis march speed. And this one, oh wait, by the way, 2.5 at level 4. Wait, let's compare it. Who is faster? For level 1 is zero point 0.5 per level. Oh, still zero point 0.5. Okay, totally the same. So for the last part, so this is the best uh, tech for defense fortification. So why? Decrease your casualty rate units in PvP battle. So it doesn't say if you are attacker or if you are the defender. So meaning if you attack like wait, where is that again? So like this, she only that battle is a little too much. So victory and attack. I hope we can find a decent. No, it's not a defender. Attack, attack. Victory defense, victory attack. Oh, it's because I was sitting at the corner, chilling last night. Okay. So, not actually a decent match up. Defense, defense. Set up defense. What the fuck? On defense. Okay, this one. Victory in attack. Still nothing much. Okay. So look at my lost troops. I didn't had any killed troops. So that's how it works. Though it's not a decent matchup actually. And yeah, it's not a decent matchup to compare. So that's how it works. So even if you are the attacker or the defender, this will you will benefit from this tech. Okay, so this is the best tech, and then this and then this hospital. So my opinion, who what which is better? Still, it depends on your gameplay. If you always attack, someone is uh if you're a sneaky attacker, definitely go for siege to seize. If you like to stand your ground, even though some players are attacking your base, then definitely go for defense fortification. So the only the only advantage actually for siege to seize is we all like to attack, and we won't benefit if we are attacking, we won't benefit anything from defense fortification. But as a defender, or in general, or tech to tech, which is better, CCCs or defense fortification, I'll go for defense fortification because it has a lot more important tech in it than siege to seize. Okay, so that's my opinion. If you have your opinion, please comment down below and let's discuss it. Okay, let's have a friendly discussion, conversation about it. So that's it for now. Bye bye.